Round 3. Street Machine Nationals. Look at that bad boy. Another nice one. Interesting. Look at that. This thing is even getting hot. Well, this GoPro 10 gets real hot. This thing can go for a long time. I bought 3 batteries, so all my batteries. Right in this heat, this probably get 2 per battery, and that'd be it. I love this Cutlass. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, yeah. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, yeah. Cutlass. It is 1968. Nice. Very, very nice. Oh my word. Here's the monies, like I said. If they had the hood open, I'd be able to show you how far the fan is from the radiator. That's why they're real good. That thing's huge. See one of those around, buy it, because they're rare. Love the red interior. Another Monte Carlo right here. A bad boy. 1970. Picture up there. Yep, all kinds of fun cars here, man. More than just your 57 Chevys. There's another Monte right here. Another Monte Carlo. See, you got the hood up. You can kind of tell right here. Well, the fan is, you can tell how far the fan is. See how that is from that hit you would take, how far it is. That's why they loved them. They could take a big shot. But the bumpers always came off. Still, I don't know what year that is, probably 75. But they're fun. They're great vehicles and they're fun to drive. Probably got 350 in that thing. Plastic. And there's another one. Monte, I knew there's another thing. It's SS 454. Here's some more Montes over here. This is a 1971 Monte. I like when they put the year on there. I don't gotta guess. I look like more of an imbecile than I am. Nice Cutlass here. I love Cutlasses, but see a lot of people walk up right and buy these because everyone likes the quiet down, I'm trying to do video. They like the old 57s. I like those too as well, but these are like the last year of making good vehicles for the 70s, period. Last years. I mean, some of the 80s were kind of cool, but when they were pouring the engines in Pittsburgh with good steel and they cared about what they made, now they don't give 2 pumps. Not restored. 1972. Very nice. Oh, look at that big bad boy. 250 Ranger. Yeah, good lord. There goes that Monte I just looked at. That's nice. I had an 81 Monte Carlo. Oh, look at that bad boy. Oh, yeah. Camaro SS. Oh yeah. Look at that interior. Yeah, they're cruising around. There they go. There goes. I haven't seen any Javelins yet. I think the show ends at 5, so kind of want to get here at about noon and get it 2 or 3 hours tomorrow. But mainly, I think the big one is Saturday. El Camino. My mom dated a guy, we called him El Camino Bob. Here you go. 65 Chevy Impala. Right over here. There it is. I've seen it before. Look at that bad boy. My first car I ever had right here. Look at that engine in there. Because usually they have the extra water right here. Yeah, this is not an SS. What I had, exact what I had, I made it into SS. Put buckets, the back seat, everything else. He has the thing back here to make it look like an SS, but it doesn't have the shift. It doesn't matter. Love these cars. 327. Mine was a 283. Very nice. Sweet. Great car. It was fun. Missed that thing. My red beast. A little shade. Be here with the camera. Away from the sun. This thing is already getting hot in my hand. I'm just taking pictures with it. I think I might have had one like a Malibu. I had something like this for a while. When I bought it from a guy, it had a small steering wheel on there, and someone took it. I come up one day and it was gone. Nice. $70 pictures so far. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's just all different varieties of vehicles that you're not going to see at back to 50. Oh, Starsky and Hutch vehicle hits here every year. You can kind of tell. Goes all the way back over there. I've seen lots of those Starsky and Hutches. They have the Kids Against Drugs. They have that one there all the time. So that's a nice one. Look at that one, huh? Look at that bad. There it is, man. Sweet vehicle. Gran Torino. Let's take a picture. What the hell? Might as well. Starsky and Hutch, 76 Ford. There it is. Camille Ford. A little car right there. Yep. Nice. That was a great show, Starsky and Hutch. That was a good show. Oh, look at that 70 Cuda. Nice. SS. Nice. 1969. Labor of Love. My brother had one like this one right here. The bitch. I'll take a picture for him. I think he had a 71. It was green. Exactly what he had, something like this. That's kind of cool.
Well, that was great. We got to meet you. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
There's a yellow one up here. You got a yellow. There's a couple of people who did back to 50s. They had 3-hour videos. It's like, I'm sorry. 454. That's a long time to watch a video. Nice. Yep. I think it's easy accessible to get in that bad boy. Look at this. Bad girl. What do you think about that, huh? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at all the... Again, I probably knew more, but look how they slapped that bad boy in there. Looks nice. Oh, here's a good Corvette. I like this style, the 80s, loved them. Oh, my other favorite vehicle over here. I love these ones right over here. I drove one. These are the Mustangs. Hatchback. These are beautiful. These are cool as hell. Mach 1s. I love these things. 612-366-6300. It's 30K he wants for it. 72. These are classic cars. You don't see too many of them. Very nice. 72. They're nice.
Cleveland 2-barrel or Cleveland 4-barrel?
Nice. Very nice. Some behind, nothing special. Walk down this way. But I love, look at that, the original SUV right there, Suburban GMC. Very nice. A lot of these over here for fun. Look at this four-door, this Cadillac over here is classic. Look at that one over there, classic. Look at this one, very nice. It's 420, 428 in that bad boy. Woo. Very nice. GTO, my first GTO I think I've seen already. I want to see a Javelin really bad. But anyways, another one. Very nice. Very nice. Very cool. Anyways, I'll try to find a seat here. I can sit down and relax for a little bit. Get out of the sun. Give the camera a rest a little bit. And be down with it. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Ciao.